नित्यं मङ्गलं कुरु मातः समस्तजगतां मधुकैटभारेः मोक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्तेः. So this, what is this all Suprabhatham is saying? This we have to remember. We have to invoke Rama within us and by chanting this Suprabhatham, telling Rama within us, "O Rama, wake from me." So then what are the Rama? The divinity within you. The divinity waking up. If you are not invoking the divinity in the morning, after some time, maybe after 6 o'clock you wake up, then that time Ravana starts, then Ravana will wake up in you. Then you wanted to just go behind all the desires. So that is where the problem is. Nowadays, all the people are getting up late. Most of the people, not all the people, most of the people. Because of that, you can see all the material desires are going up and up.
When you wake up in the morning, early at Brahmi Murta, the knowledge comes, Sattva Guna comes. This Sattva Guna helps you to remove all the enemies of the mind, desires, anger, greed, lust, jealous, cravings, aversions, etc. So your mind will be more controlled and you will become a successful person and a healthy person. But if you don't get up early in the morning and getting up late, you, first of all, you cannot get the proper health. You will get a lot of vitamin deficiency, this deficient, that deficient, etc. And then your cravings and the desires also increase, and then anger also get increased. So that way you will end up failing your whole life in facing a lot of problems. So to make a successful life, to lead a proper healthy life, wake up early in the morning and meditate with a devotion, and that makes you so powerful and so successful, healthy, happy and harmonious. Okay, all the best. So why we have to wake up? Then the Suprabhatham tells, Kaushalya Supraja Ramapurva Sandhe Uttishta Narasadhola Kartavyam Daiva Manhikam. So there is a divine work we have to carry on. So that's why we born actually. So that's why it gives us the divine duty. So we will carry on the wonderful deeds and lead a purposeful and meaningful life when we wake up in the morning. Okay, so try to utilize that wonderful and peaceful time, and I'm sure that will give you the great health. So go to our health science. Vedic health science also says Brahmi Murta, Ushapana, early morning cleaning activities and meditation, everything is most important as part of Dinacharya. Okay, so for morning that time is very precious. Do not miss those peaceful and wonderful time for your own sake. May God bless you.